Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, I am going to show you how to change your MT4 or MT5 trading platform to dark mode. All right. So this is a simple but powerful customization that can completely transform the way your charts look and make trading much easier on your eyes. All right. So if you've ever stared at bright white charts for hours, you already know how uncomfortable it can get. Switching to dark mode creates a cleaner, more professional look while also reducing eye strain. So let us go step by step and set this up. First of all, obviously, you have to open your MT4 or your MT5 platform. Select any chart of your choice, okay? Whichever currency pair that you want to analyze. Then, after that, you right click on the chart and you go to properties, all right? So this is where you are going to find all the settings for colors and background. You can see this is where colors is, okay? So inside the properties window, you can start by changing the background color to black or dark gray, depending on what you prefer, all right? Next, you adjust the foreground color so that your text, scales, and values are clearly visible. So you can decide to use maybe white or light gray, all right? Since your background is black, so white or light gray foreground is going to work best here, okay? So now let us move to the candlesticks. For your bullish candles, you might want to use a bright green, okay? Well, it depends on your color preference, right? Some persons, like to use blue, right? Well, some, like to use green. So at the end of the day, the choice is yours, okay? Just choose whatever color, that works best for you. All right, so we're just trying to use bright colors since our background is black. Okay, so since the background is black, so we just want to use some bright colors. So this is light green. All right, and then for bearish candles, we are just going to use, okay, for our bar up, we're also going to use light green as well. Then for our bearish candle, we want to use red. Yeah, red is going to work for that. Okay, you want to use a strong red color for your bearish candle and your bar down. So this contrast makes it easier to identify price action against the dark background. You can also customize the grid lines, the grid here, right? You can customize it if you wish. Okay, many traders prefer removing the grid entirely for a cleaner look. You can see. So that's if you don't want to make use of grid, you can just remove it entirely. While some other traders switch them to a subtle gray, right? You can just, maybe a gray color or thereabout. So, the customization is actually left to you, whatever um whatever color that works for you. Okay, this is dark gray, silver, light gray. All right, you can decide to use a gray color, or you can just decide to remove it completely, whatever works for you. Okay, so once your chart looks the way you want, of course, as you are modifying it, you're going to be seeing how it's going to look here. So once it looks the way you want, all right, then it's time to save the setup. Just gonna click OK. So you can see this is how it looks like. All right. So you can right click on your chart again, and then you choose template. Okay, and then you click on save template. Now you can just give it a name, right? You know, whatever you want to name it, maybe dark mode or something like that. So the essence of this is, you know, whenever you open a new chart, for example, I'm going to save this template now, yeah? And then whenever you open a new chart, okay, this chart is already in, has a black background. So, okay, it doesn't matter. When you open a new chart, even though it might have a dark background as according to the default of MT4, the modifications that you have done, once you just go to your template and you click on that template you saved, you can see the modifications in terms of the colors of the candles and all of that, all the things that you have set, is just going to automatically appear on that new chart. Or maybe you go to an existing chart. It could be an existing chart, and then you don't want to you don't want to start setting everything again afresh, right? You just go straight to your template and you select it, and here you go. Okay, so you can instantly apply your dark mode template without having to repeat all the steps over again, right? So that is it, guys. Your MT4 or MT5 trading platform is now in dark mode. Meanwhile, what we just did right now on MT4, you can repeat the same thing on MT5. Okay, yes, you can actually repeat the same thing on MT5. You go to your properties, you know, you go to the colors, the color scheme. You can use maybe green on black or yellow on black, but whatever one you decide to use, you just have to now come back to this candlesticks, and then, you know, modify the colors, right, according to your preferences. Okay, right? So you can see, just do the modifications just like we did on the MT4. So you just repeat the same thing on MT5, and when you're done, you save the template. Okay, so whether you're using MT4 or MT5, it's the same process. All right, the same process. So you will notice how much smoother it feels on your eyes, especially if you are analyzing charts at night or for long sessions. So take a few minutes to experiment with different colors until you find a setup that matches your style. All right. The key is keeping it simple, high contrast, and comfortable for your trading sessions. Okay. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to click the like button, share it with your fellow traders, and hit subscribe. Okay. So that you don't miss more tutorials like this. Also, let me know in the comments what other platform customization tips you would like to see next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.